TikTok's editing tools and effects are no doubt one of the many things that people love about the platform. Aside from being easy to use, they're also pretty fun to try out for yourself. Ever want to give a new ending to a popular clip? You can do just that with the app's Stitch feature. If you've seen one and you want to get in on the fun, here's what you need to do. First things first, you'll need to find a video to stitch with. Once you've found one, tap on the Share button in the bottom right corner. If the Stitch button isn't grayed out, you can tap that to start. If it is, it means that the owner of the video hasn't enabled the feature, and you'll have to find something else to use. Also, you can only record a new ending to a clip, not a new opening. Once you've started stitching, you'll first have to pick a segment of the clip you want to keep. Use the handles at either end of the reel shown to you to select up to 5 seconds of a clip. If the part you want to keep is further along, just tap and drag the clip itself. Once you've got the segment you like, click Next in the top right corner. Next, record your part that you want to add. Feel free to add any filters and effects. Once you're satisfied with your part, click on the check icon at the bottom right. You'll then be brought to the editing page, where you'll see your clip previewed. Add stickers, text, or a voiceover, and once you're satisfied, tap on Next. From here, just edit your permissions, add a caption, and tag your friends before posting. Finally, the original creator of the video you're stitching with will be tagged by default. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.